Yes, can you hear me? Can you hear? Can you hear me? Are you there? Can you unmute yourself?
Why always your Mac coming into my ears? Good exam. Hello.
Can you hear me?
Oh, you began. I was calling you. That's why I had gone to find my phone. That is why I was not here. I was not here. You just began, right?
No, long back.
Okay, sorry, sorry. No, I was not sitting here only. I was not listening.
You practice?
Yeah, I'll send it to you after the class gets over.
Okay. So today we'll start with the new concept, sum of terms, sum of n terms in an AP. So here we'll come across one new formula. Okay, so the new formula is called as SN formula. SN comes from the word sum of the first n terms. Now, suppose you have an arithmetic progression, suppose T1, T2, T3, up to Tn. Okay, you have an arithmetic progression and you have to find the sum of all these terms. Sum means you want to find the addition of all them. T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to Tn. Okay, you have to add all of them. Now, if you have few numbers, it is easy to add. Suppose if you have just 10 numbers, you have a sequence, suppose 1, 2, up to 10. Okay, and you want to find sum of all these numbers. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10 you want to add. Now this you can do easily because there are less number of terms. But what you have more terms, if you have 100 terms or 5,000 terms, then adding each of them will be very difficult. So for this, we have a new formula that is called as the SN formula. So the formula SN means sum of first n terms. Okay, this is called as sum of first n terms. So the formula
Terms or
terms,
only term?
terms, sum of the first n terms. So the formula is n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, where a is the first term, d is a common difference, and n is a total number of terms in that particular arithmetic AP. We have two formulas to find Sn. The second formula, you use this or n upon 2 t1 plus tn, where t1 is a first term, tn is the last term. So we have two formulas to find out the sum of the first n
You
term.
use the second.
You can use any one formula depending on what information is given to you. Okay, depending on what information is given to you, you use any formula. Both the formulas will give you the same answer. Now, suppose in a sequence, in an AP, in an arithmetic progression, the last term is not given to you. Okay, the last term is not given, then you use the first one, the first formula.
Yes, understood.
If the last term is given, then you use the second formula. It will be easier. Okay, so write down these two formulas into your notebook first. And give the heading sum of n terms.
I should just write all the formulas on one page, or I should write it as it comes?
Later on, you can do that. Write it on one single page and keep memorizing them. This chapter has only three formulas. That was a
Should I do the
TN
earlier formula? Just
formula.
write it. Yeah, just write it somewhere.
You don't remember TN formula?
No, I remember, but then to write all of them, I will have to.
TN is A
Space and break
plus
also is important.
n minus 1 t. That's it. Just these three formulas. This was the earlier formula.
So, okay, fine. I'll write it on the new page. SN is on the same line. It's like down, like how TN with that.
Yeah, TN it is. SN. N is down. Subscript.
Okay. Done.
So keeping these two formulas in mind, we can now start with the sums. Before starting with the exercise, I'll do few example sums. So you will understand exactly then how to do the. Okay. Let's do the very easiest one. So here they are asking in this question, find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 150. Okay. So first you just try to list down all the odd numbers before it. So the first odd number is 1. After 1, 3, 5.
To write till 150?
No, do not to write all. Which is in between 1 to 150, which will be the last odd number?
149.
149.
So you just have to put it in the formula and substitute.
Uh, that is little bit different. Actually, I started. That's a little bit lengthy sum. I'll start with the easier sum first. Let's do with the exercise one only. I'll come to that sum again. But I think I'll start with the easier one first so that you understand how to use the formula, and then I'll come to that one. So let's do the first one itself. That is the activity. So first term and common difference of an AP is given to you. So first term is 6, common difference D is 3. You have to find out S27. That is sum of the first 27 terms. Okay. So in this one, you just have to substitute the values here. So the formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2. What is here in the formula? What will come in this box? See the formula. N upon 2, 2a.
2a plus n minus 1.
So in this box here, you will write 2a plus n minus 1d. Then you have to just substitute a value. N is 27. So this is 27 upon 2 plus 2 into a. A is 6, 2 into 6, 12. 27 minus 1 into d. D is 3.
D is 3.
So this becomes 27 upon 2, and this you have to just solve this. 12 plus 26 into 3. This is 12
What
plus
page number is this on? To practice it, people.
3.3, first one on page 72.
Page?
72.
Yeah. I have not written anything. I just...
Next, you have to just simplify this. 12 plus 26 into 3. So 26 into 3 will be 78. And 12 plus 78 is 90. Correct?
Wait, I'm still writing. What will come in the third box? 78.
Yes, you solve this. You get it. No. Here D will come. That is 3. And then you have to solve.
Third box.
You have to solve this.
So 90 will be coming there. No, 78
Yes.
will be coming there.
90. Entire thing you have to solve. You'll get 9.
Entire thing you have to solve. Yeah.
And then here they have just divided 90 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 45s are 90. And then here 27 into 45.
7 into 47, 45.
Yeah. Do it. This should be 1, 2, 1, 5.
$1,215.
Yes.
What small boxes there given of a 10, nothing is fitting in there.
Okay, let's do the second one. The second one is find the sum of the first 123 even natural number. Okay, before even, I'll do this odd one. How to do this odd one, and then you do for the even one. Exact
Here we
same.
can use, yeah, here we can use the T1 plus Tn because we know the beginning and the ending. We know the beginning is 1 and the ending is 149. So we can use that.
1 minute. Let me just check. Yeah, we can use that. We can use that.
Okay.
Sn is equal to n upon 2 t1 plus tn. We can use this. But we need the value of n. We don't know now n. Now, what is n? What is n? N will be the
Tn.
total number of terms. How many terms are there from 1 to 149?
We don't
So
know.
we don't know. So first you have to find out that and then directly substitute it in this formula to get it, to get the value here. Even if you use the first formula, you still have to first find out the value of n. Now,
So let's do it by this.
so what?
So let's do it by this method only.
No. Any method you use, you have to first find out a value of n. Even if you use the first formula, you have to find out a value of n. Now, how to find a value of n? For that, you need the Tn formula. Okay, there you need the Tn formula. You have to find how many terms are there from 1 to 149. Can you do that?
Yeah.
So do it. So in this, see, T1 or A is 1 equal to 1. Then Tn is 149. You have to find out the value of n. So use the Tn formula and find out the value of n. Write down the question also.
We have to find n, correct? We also have
Yes.
to find d. D, so I can.
Yeah, D is easy to find out. D is just 3 minus 1, which is 2. So use the Tn formula here to find out. Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. Use this formula.
So then 149 equals to 1 plus
Yes,
root
yes.
in the bracket n minus 1 2.
Yeah, correct. So this calculation, you can do it. Directly tell me what is value of n. Don't make mistake in the calculation.
Yeah, I will be taking 1 on that side, right?
Yeah.
75.
Correct. So now you got n to be 75. Now you have all the values to substitute it in this. So let's use now Sn formula. N is 75, T1 is 1, Tn is 149. Now you just have to substitute it in this. So n upon 2, T1 plus Tn. So S75 will be 75 upon 2, here 1 plus 149. So can you do this calculation?
Oh, 149.
Sorry, 148. Sorry, 148. Wait. What is the last term? Tn is 149. Yeah, so 149.
No. It's a Tn. Okay, I took
Tn.
T2. That is it.
Tn. T1 plus Tn. So 1 plus 149. So 75 upon 2 into 150. So this calculation, I think you will.
Can we just take the reciprocal of 2 upon 75?
No. Why reciprocal?
So then we can cancel 75 1 plus 75.
No. If there would be a division sign, then you take. No, but there is no division sign. So no, don't
So
do that.
from multiplication, you can't convert it to division. Only
No.
division you can convert.
Yes.
Then now.
Cancel, no? 2
So,
ones
but
are
then
2, 5s are 7s are 14, 5s are 10. So you have 75 multiplied by 75. How much will this be?
5625.
5625. So the answer is S75 or S75 is equal to 5625. Is this clear?
Now we'll be going to the practice set.
Yeah. Now this same sum is there as an activity in your textbook. Okay, on page number 71, it's the same sum, but it is in terms of activity.
On page
71. And they have shown by using both the formulas, method 1, method 2. So we did it with this method here.
So we're totally not going to learn the first method.
No, we'll be doing the first one also. No, we will be doing, because it's not possible to use a second formula in all the places. If the last term is not given, Tn is not given, then you have no other option but to use the first formula. But you will get the same answer. So now let's.
I've written it in the book, so there's no need to write it in the textbook.
Okay. Now let's do the sum from the exercise. Second one. Find the sum of the first 123 even natural number. You have to find the sum of 1 to 123, but all even numbers. Okay. So the first even number would be 2, then 4. And which would be the last even number in this?
122.
122. So you know your first term, A or T1 is 2. You know your last term, Tn is 122. You can use the Sn formula. But for Sn, we need the value of n. And now how to find the value of n?
Again by that method.
Yes. Again by that method. So I want you to find out Tn. Now this sum you can do entirely. Completely do. No mistakes. First tell me what is the value of Tn you get. After that we can proceed to find Sn.
So in place of Tn, I write 122, right? I don't write T122.
Yeah. One minute. Wait. The question says find the sum of the first 123 even natural number. Okay. Wait, I read the question wrong.
I do not understand. Please explain.
First 123 even numbers.
So what did we do?
We took from 1 to 123 even numbers between this, but they are not asked this.
Then what are they?
They are asking first 123 even numbers. So like first number is 2, second number is 4, third number is 6.
Okay, only numbers.
Yes. So
but you have written
we
find
don't
the sum of the first.
Sum. So we have to add them. We have to add it. So we don't
So it
know
becomes a sum.
we don't know which will be the last term. We don't know.
How?
First 123 numbers they are asking. So this is the first number, this is the second number, this is the third even number, this is the fourth even number. You have to go up to the 123rd even number, but we don't know which it is.
122, right?
No. Here, tell me all the even numbers.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10,
12.
12. Okay, how many even numbers have I written?
6.
6. So that way they're saying write the first 123 even
okay.
number.
So not till 123, 123.
Yes, not till 123, but write 123 even numbers.
Okay, got it.
Got it? But we don't know the last. What will be here? We don't know that. So which formula to use here? First one or the second one?
The first one.
First one. So you have to use the
So I
SN
should
formula.
cancel this?
Yes, cancel it. Yeah.
But
the
we'll
question.
be needing A, D, and Tn and N, no, anyways. So why should I cancel them?
N we know, N. We know N. Total, how many even numbers we require?
I should just cancel these two lines, right? The ending two lines.
Let me see one minute. Yes. And cancel that Tn equal to 122, that also cancel. So we know our first term, A is 2. Common difference is also 2. And how many even numbers in total?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. So our N is 1, 2, 3. Now we can use the first formula. Sn is equal to N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Directly substitute all the values now here. So this will be S of 123 equal to 123 upon 2 into 2 into A, that is 2, plus N minus 1. So 123 minus 1 into D, that is 2. Now you have to just simplify. So this becomes 123 upon 2, keep it as it is. 2 into 2, 4, plus 123 minus 1 is 122 multiplied by 2. Next step, I'll keep this fraction as it is, 123 upon 2. 4 plus, multiply this, 122 into 2 will become 244. Next you add them. So 123 upon 2, 244 plus 4 becomes 248. So this is multiplication, so we can divide 248 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. So you just have to multiply 123 with 124. So 123 into 124 is 1, 2, 2, 5, 5. 15252. So S123 is 15252. Did you understand the sum?
Yes.
I hope no confusion now. First 123 even numbers. What does it mean?
Yes. It means that all the 123 numbers.
123 numbers, correct. So if they're telling you to find something between two numbers, then they will have to use the TN formula and find out n. For example, the next sum.
I have to write that. I have not written that
Oh,
fully.
okay. Yeah, right.
If you want to say something, you say, then come.
No. Next sum is of the type like the previous one, where you have to use the TN formula. But I hope this sum is clear. No confusions, correct? No confusion?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Just this, the second last step, what you've done all in one line only. So is it okay if I write that step down?
Yeah. Yes.
Like,
Yes. You can write it down. One below the other you can do. Yes. Did you finish writing?
yes.
Okay. Now let's see the third one. Now the third sum is like the previous one which we did, okay, before this one. Find the sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350. Okay, you have to find all even numbers between 1 to 350. So which is the first even number in this between these two?
Okay, so this one is like that, where we
Yes.
know T1, Tn.
Yes. So 2 is the first even number, then 4. Which will be the last even number?
350.
350 itself.
But
So
between, right? So it can
yeah,
be 350 also.
no. Last number is 350, but we don't know there are 350 numbers or no between it.
No.
Hmm?
I'm saying that they have said that between 1 and 350. So
Yes.
between means you can take 350 as an even number between 1 and 350, right?
Yes.
We
You
don't
have
need
to
to
take.
take 140A.
No,
Okay.
we have to take the last one. Now, next is you have to find how many terms are there in this n. You have to find out n, and that you can do by using the Tn formula. Understood?
Which I will be doing.
Yes. So you know A, you know D, you know Tn, and you have to find out n.
N, right? So what would it be?
I did not hear what you say. Can you just repeat?
No, I said Tn. So what would Tn be?
The last term, 350.
Okay. So in the place of in the place of Tn, I should just write 350, right? Sn will be later on when I'm putting it into the second formula. Sn will be 175, right? Instead of Sn, I will be writing 175, right?
No, no, no. Uh, uh, how you got 175 before that? Tell me. N is 175.
350. Yeah.
Show me the calculation. How much is 350 minus 2? 350 minus 2?
348.
340. And what you have written?
348.
No.
Yeah, I've
Show me.
written 348.
Show. Look what you have written carefully above. Okay, 3. Then up, why you wrote 248?
Where?
248
In
you
the
have written.
first?
No, no, no. See, you have written 248 in one step.
Yeah.
Okay, show me the
Okay, that
calculation.
correction I'll make.
Yeah, show me 1 second, bro.
This one I corrected when I was doing. This one I did not.
Oh, wait, show me.
1 second, I'll just
Yeah.
write 3 for.
Yeah, your camera is gone off. I can see. 350. 2 plus 2 and minus 2.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I'm seeing it. 348. Okay, so you got 175 now. Okay, continue the calculation. Yeah. Continue. And
Is it correct? I was
yes,
shouting, is it correct? Is it correct?
yes. Continue with the calculation.
Hello.
Yeah. I can't hear you. You're muted. You're muted. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. You're muted.
Oh, okay, sorry. Where I have written SN, over there I should be writing what I just got, right? 175.
S175.
So I'm coming to S175 equals to 175 into 352. So I should do 352 divided by 2. Correct?
352. So using the T1 plus Tn formula, right?
Yes. So if I use that, then it will become 175 into 176.
Yes. Correct.
Why is it always one like one before and then one after? In the last episode it was
Yeah.
123 and into 124.
That's because of the formula.
So into 30,800.
Yeah.
How to tally?
Hmm?
How to tally this? That my answer is correct.
Keep
I have to
adding
go
all the.
counting. Yeah, no.
Yeah. Keep adding 2 plus
No, but
4 up to 350. It'll be correct.
okay. Also, how to get the half of a odd number?
Half of.
Like, yeah.
Say like.
Because when it was 5, I could not say whether what is the half of 5. What is the half of 5? I have
Half
to
of
like draw
5 is
like dots.
2.5. Usually it will be in decimal point of odd number. The half of odd number will be decimal point. Like for example, you see you want to
Like
find
when
a
it was
5.
15, then I used to just like draw 15 dots and then from here and here.
Okay, so one easy
Go
way
like
is
that.
suppose you want to find half of 5. So you see the number before 5. Before 5 is 4. And you know half of 4 is 2. So you just add 0.5 to it. So 2.5. You want to
It
find
works
half.
everywhere.
Yes. Suppose you want to find half of 15. So you go before 15 is 14. Half of 14 is 7. Just add 0.5. 7.5 will be half of 15.
Why to add 0.5?
0.5, no? Because it's That will be in the middle.
Okay, fine.
So just add 0.5 and you'll get half of that odd
So if
number.
I have to get the half of 23, then I should just go to 22.
Yeah. So half of 22, 11.
So 11.5.
Yeah.
Okay, got it done.
Okay.
Done. I said done.
Now let's do the fourth one. In an AP, 19th term is 52 and the 38th term is 128. You have to find the sum of the first 56 terms. Okay. You have to find sum of first 56. Now you may be thinking this sum, something else is given and something else is asked. But there is a relationship between it. Okay. Have you understood the question, what is given and what is asked?
Little.
19th term is given. 19th term means T19. Okay,
And yeah.
T19, this is 52. And then 38th term is also given. Okay, 38th term is T38, which is also given, that is 128. 1 minute, huh? Just take the text. Okay. The 38th term is given 128. They're asking you to find the sum of first 56 terms. Sum means S. And you have to find sum of first 56 terms. That is, you have to find S56. Now, is it clear? Now, here you use the first formula, that is A upon 2, sorry, N upon 2 plus N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. You need to use this formula to find out S56. Now, to find out S56, you need the value of N, but N is already given to you, 56. You need A and you need D. Now, A and D, you have to find out by using these two informations that is given to you. Okay, using these two information, you have to find A and D. So let's do that first. T19. Tn formula you have to use. Tn is A plus N
This is going to
minus
go to
1.
simultaneous equations.
Yes, correct. So first let's do T19. T19 will be A plus 19 minus 1 D. So this will be A plus 18D. T19 is given 52. So this is A plus 18D is equal to 52. equation number 1. Second equation, T38 is given 128. So let's use it. T38 equal to A plus 38 minus 1 into D. T38 is 128. So this will be A plus 38 minus 1, 37D. So this is A plus 37D equals 128. Equation number 2. Now I have to solve these two equations simultaneously to find the value of A and D. So solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. Okay, so let's do it simultaneously. So what should I do? Add or subtract? A plus 18D is equal to 52.
Subtract.
A plus 37D equals 128. So when you are
Can I do it
subtracting,
besides question 3? Will it fit?
it should fit. Yes. Draw a line, it should fit. Now, when you're doing subtraction, you have to change the sign throughout. I hope you remember this. Plus A minus A cancel. 18D minus 37D. How much is this? 18 minus 37 is 19. Plus 19 or minus 19?
Minus and minus 9.
How much?
You
9
wrote 19. I
and
just said minus.
and 52 minus 128.
Um,
76 minus 76. Minus minus cancel. D will be 70.
It'll be 76.
Yeah. And D minus minus cancel both sides. So D will be 76 upon 19, which is 4. Okay, 19 4s are 76. So D is 4. Now you got the value of D, substituted it in any one of the equations. So I substituted in the first one, A plus 18D is equal to 52. So A plus 18 into 4 is equal to 52. This will be 18 4s are 72 is equal to 52. Take plus 72 on the other side. So A will be 52 minus 72. So 52 minus 72 will be 20, but sign of the greater number, so minus 20. So A is minus 20 and D is 4. Is this clear? Simultaneous equations. Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Now we'll substitute this in this equation here. We got A and we got D. D is 4, A is minus 2, right? Minus 20, sorry. Minus 20. So we can substitute it in this equation here. So we know everything else now. So N is 56 equal to N upon 2. So 56 upon 2 into 2 into A, that is minus 20, plus N minus 1. So this is 56 minus 1 into D, that is 4. Now simplify this. So 56 divided by 2 is 28. 2 into minus 20 is minus 40. plus 56 minus 1 is 55 multiplied by 4. So first do the multiplication. 55 into 4 is 5 for the 20, 22, 20. Okay. And now you have to
Subtract.
solve this. Yes. So 220 minus 40 is
180.
180. And then you have to multiply 180 with 28. So this should be 0, 3,920. So the sum of first 56 term is 3,920. Wait, have I done some mistake? Sorry. This is not multiplication. I did it wrong. It's 5, 0, 5, 2, 10, 5040. That's correct. So sum of first 56 terms is 5040. Sum of first 56 terms is 5040. Did you understand the sum?
Yes.
Okay. Go through the sum.
I have to write this, right?
Yes. First do this part. Write what is given, then this simultaneous equation part, and then come to Sn. Okay? Understand each and every step and write. Okay? If you're not understanding, if you missed any step, you can ask me.
Done. It went on to the other.
It went on till where? What you said?
Went to the other page. No, we were thinking that it will come on to
Okay.
the half page. But
Okay. It's okay. Okay, let's do the activity. You have to complete this activity to find the numbers between 1 and 140 that is divisible by 4. Okay, so between 1 and 140 natural numbers that are divisible by 4 is first is 4, 8, and the last number is 136. Okay, now how many terms between 4 to 136 that you have to find out? Now how to find out this? How many terms here? Yes?
we have to, 1 second. No? Between, so we can use T1 plus T2 plus Tn.
Yeah, you can do that, but you have to find out first value of n. Now, how will you find value of n? By using the Tn formula. Number of terms. How many terms between 4 to 136? Are you understanding? Yes? So,
Yes.
A is 2. Tn, that is the last term, is 136. Common difference is 4. So divisible by 4. That means common difference should be 4. So if you use a Tn formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn is 136. A is 2. And you have to find out D is 4. So 136 minus 2, 134 is equal to 4n minus 4. Take minus 4 on the other side, it will get added. So you'll get 138 is equal to 4n. So n will be 138 divided by 4.
Yes. 4 3s are 12.
Wait, have I done some mistake in my calculation? Yeah, I've done one mistake, yes. A is, what is the first term? First term is 4. I wrote 2 by mistake here. This should be 4 here. I wrote 2. So 136 minus 4 is 132. And 132 plus 4 is 136. So this will become 136 divided by 4, which is 30. 4 the 16, 34. So n is 34. So here I'll write 34. Here also 34. First term is 4. Common difference is also 4. Now if you substitute it in this formula, 136 is equal to A is 4 plus n minus 1 D, which is again 4. So n we get 34. I don't understand why they have made to write 2 times, but it's okay. The activity is only that way. So we have to write here also 34. Now substitute here. So here in this box also you write 34. Here 34 upon 2. And here you have to substitute the values. This will be 2 into A, that is 4, plus 34 minus 1, 33 into D, which is 4. Did you understand this up to here? Now this is just calculation. You have to just calculate and write the final answer. So this I'll just write it down here. So S34 is equal to 34 upon 2 into 2 into 4 plus 33 into 4. So this would be 34 divided by 2 is 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14. 2 into 4 8 plus 33 into 4 132. So this will be 17 multiplied by 8 plus 132 is 140. So you have to multiply 17 with 140, which is 2, 3, and 7, 8. So S34 is 2380. So that I will write here 2380. Same thing here. Sum of numbers from 1 to 140 is 2380. Did you understand this? You paying attention?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so write it
So
down.
I have to fill in the boxes or what you've written in chapter?
I want you to write the working also, this and this working also. Write it in the
The
note.
downer one also.
Write it. There is enough space in the textbook. No, write it in the pencil in the textbook itself.
So what you've written up, I'm writing on the left side, and what you've
Yes.
written down, I'm writing on the right side.
Correct. Okay.
Continuation.
Yes.
Wait, how did you write 132 in the middle?
I have skipped one step. This plus 4 when you take on the other side becomes minus 4. So
Okay.
136 minus 4 is 132.
But if you
And
take it on that, Okay.
And then again,
No, understood. Understood.
this.
Also, we got our algebra marks today. Out of 20, 3 he has given me wrong. Like actually, I should be getting 15 plus 1, but he's given me 12. So to everyone, 3 marks less he has given.
Why?
Because of some glitch in the form. So like the answer was supposed to be y is equal to 5 or y is equal to 0. So if you have only written y is equal to 0, then it gives you a mark. But if you've written 0 and 5, it doesn't give you a mark. So that glitch has happened. Or if you write 0 first and 5 later on, it doesn't give you them. You have to write 5 0. So like that, it's cutting marks like that. So manually, he's going to give us marks. So manually, if he gives me marks, it's 16 out of 20.
Okay. And which of the sums went wrong?
I think, 1 second. I think I can show you. I'm not sure if I can show you because
Yeah, you share the screen.
No, but I will have to see if they have kept that link open.
Yeah.
Like they have this mail us our responses. So एक करके every response just opens like that.
Share your screen, you'll be able to show it to me.
Yeah. You will have to stop the screen share.
You start at least share screen share.
Okay, I can. Okay.
Yeah.
One second. Can you see it? Yeah. Can you see here for you can see it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so for division, it has cut a mark. Now I don't know how my division is wrong. So there is some glitch in the form. So for a division, it has cut 1 mark. And then this one went wrong.
Okay. Choose the correct answer. Value of the discriminant. Okay, discriminant b square minus 4ac you have to find out. How come you marked the last one? B. You understand what had to be done here? Discriminant.
Yes. Every sum he showed, like the ones which I had got wrong, right? Every sum he showed it to us.
Okay.
Then this one is right. This one is wrong. When it equals to 0, it is real and unequal, right?
No, you have to find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. If that is
No,
0,
but
this is a
oh,
quadratic equation that is given to you.
okay.
You have to find b square minus 4ac there. Has roots 3 and 5. Okay, here. Okay, this was
Here
easy.
you had to do the alpha plus. Yeah, I did
Huh?
alpha and it came to this one. This
Alpha,
one it came.
alpha
It did
3
not
plus
come to
5.
8x. How will it come to 8x?
Alpha plus beta, 3 plus 5 is 8 and 3 into 5, 15. And this formula is x square.
No, I did 3 into 5.
See the formula.
15.
Wait, I'll write the formula.
What are you? You cannot see your screen.
Wait. So the formula is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. This is a formula equal to 0. So this becomes x square minus alpha plus beta, that is 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8x plus 5 into 3, 15 equal to 0. So x square minus 8x plus 15. So that is how you get this to be the correct answer.
Okay. Shall I go ahead?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one also I have got wrong.
So many on discriminant. Solve the following and find a value of discriminant. Again, b square.
I did this and I got 3 root 2 and minus 13 root 2. So I wrote.
See, I had told you, no, discriminant means this, b square minus 4ac. They did not ask you find a
No,
value.
I did it on upon 2a, upon 2a.
That is to find the value, not discriminant. This is 1 marks. You did a very long method.
Okay, now see this one. Here, the answers, correct answers are 1 and 1 comma 2. So I have written 1 and 2.
Correct it is.
But still it is given me wrong.
No, this is correct. Okay, so for this you will get marks.
Yeah. Now this one also is for here. So it is 5. I've written 5. I've not written 0.
Yes. Okay, so he expected to write 0. 0 and 5.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how much marks was the previous sum which you got wrong?
This one?
Now before that,
it was for 2 points. 2 points.
Yeah, half is written. Before this,
no, this. I have got 1 out of 2 points, not half. I've got 1 out of 2.
Oh, so it is, and the above one, this one?
This one 2 out of 2. Because 1 point was for writing A is equal to A1 and B is equal to 2. Like that, it equals to 2 points, so I get 2. But still, it's given me wrong. So 2 points should add. So it should become 14. 12 plus 2, 14. Correct? And then this one, the answer expected was 5, 2. But I have written 2, 5. So it's given me wrong.
Okay. So
this is not valid. How is this valid if I write 2, 5?
Yeah, this is correct. That numbers
so here also it should give me 2 points. So it should be 14 plus 2, 16. Okay. This is how I should get 16. And 1 point it is cut for the division. So actually I should get 17. How is my division wrong? I am in the division, right?
I don't think there is any marks for that. I don't think that. But
no, it has cut marks for that. It has cut marks for that.
Has he told you, yes, sir?
Yeah. So everyone has everyone has totaled it, and everyone came to know that the division marks are also cut.
So he's going to change it?
Yeah, he will have to check it manually.
Okay.
And then he'll give a spreadsheet of it.
Fine.
So 17.
Okay, fine. We'll go to our next sum. 6th one. You finished writing the activity, no?
No, I did not finish. I did not finish. Not finish writing the activity.
Yeah.
Done. Done. Now which one?
6.
What about 3, 4, 5? Oh, sorry, we did that.
Yeah, 3, 4, 5 we did.
Yeah, we did.
6th one. Sum of first 55 terms is in an AP is 3,300. Find its 28th term. Okay. Now, what is given? Understand that first. Sum of first 55 terms. Okay, sum of first 55 terms means S55 is given to you. which is 3,300. They are asking you to find the 28th term. Find 28th term. Okay, 28th term means T28 you have to find out. Is this clear?
Yes.
So sum of first 55 means S55 is given 3,300 and you have to find out
We'll have to do it by the first one.
T28. Yes. So use the first formula first. Sn is equal to n upon
You're going to
2.
use both the formulas?
No, first one. Here I will use the Tn formula for this. Because T28 has to be found out. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute S55 is
Your voice is breaking.
55 upon 2 into a we don't know, keep it as it is, plus
Hello.
n is 55. Yes. Can you hear me?
I think your voice is, yeah, I can hear you, but your voice is breaking and you're frozen.
Now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
I was just saying that it was breaking and
You-
you're still frozen.
You can see, but what I'm writing?
Yeah, I can see you're writing equal to.
Okay, so 55 upon 2 into, and this is given 3,300. So I'll substitute here into,
When to write S 3,300 and when to write only 3,300?
S55 is given to you now. So instead of this, I've substituted 3,300.
No, but like when
See?
to write S of something and when to write only the thing.
Here, S55 is given 3,300. So you have to substitute in place of S55, 3,300. If just the value of n is given, that is this what you have to write to the subscript, then you write just S55. Clear?
Yes.
So this is 2a plus 55 minus 1, 54. So 54d. Okay. Now this 2, you can take it this side. Okay, because it is in the denominator. So it's like you're doing cross multiplication. So you can take it this side. Or what you can do is, easy way will be if you multiply this entire fraction inside the bracket. Or else we can still make it simple. We can.
Can we not cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones?
There is a plus sign here. So you'll have to either
But with the fraction, it's in multiplication, no?
Fraction, you'll have to take it inside the bracket and then multiply.
So this is, so anyways, it is multiplication only.
But this and this you cannot cancel like this because of this plus sign here.
But the plus sign is after 2a, right?
No, BODMAS rule.
Oh, okay. Fine.
Okay, one thing to do is I'll write 55 here.
And you can take 2 on that side.
We can do that also, but it will just give me a bigger number. 54d.
Or we can do 55 into 2a plus 5d upon 2.
55 into 2a upon
55 into 2a plus 54d upon 2. So when you do that,
if you're multiplying it inside the bracket, you have to multiply it to both the terms.
okay.
Let's take the 2 that side. Did you understand this? What I did?
Yeah, I understood, but what to do? That I did not understand. Why can't we just first solve the bracket?
Yeah, we don't know value of A and D, no? We need to first find out the value of A and D.
What does it start with? Some of the first 55 terms in an AP. Okay.
Okay, let's do one thing. 55 upon
Is there any
2.
formula we can use here for the bracket? Like
Look
A
here.
plus B?
In this bracket here, 2A plus 5D, can you see anything common? We can take 2 common outside. So inside will be A plus 27D. If you multiply 2 inside, you'll get this bracket back.
Oh, so now we can divide it by 2.
You can cancel.
But earlier we could not because
Earlier.
it was in the bracket.
Yes. Now I took 2 outside the bracket and then I cancelled it off. So this became 55 into A plus 27D. Okay, so 3,300 is equal to 55 plus A plus 27D. Now this 55 you can take on the other side. So it is in multiplication here. So when it goes on the other side, it will go in the division. So 3,300 upon 55 is equal to A plus 27D. And now this you can cancel by 11. 11 5s are 55. 11 3s are 33 and this 0 0 as it is. Okay, again you can cancel it by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 6 are 30 and this 0 as it is. So it becomes 60 is equal to A plus 27D. Did you understand this?
Now what?
But you understood this?
Yeah, but now what ahead?
So A plus 27D is equal to 60. You name
now you have to do simultaneous equation.
number this as equation number 1. Yeah. Now you have to find out T28.
Can you show me the whole sum?
Yeah, we are not finished but yet.
No, but can you still show me the entire sum?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. You can continue.
Now we have to find out T28. So here use a Tn formula. A plus n minus 1D. So this is a Tn formula and T28 you have to find out. So n is 28. So this becomes A plus 28 minus 1 into D. This becomes A plus 27D. But what is A plus 27D?
60.
What is 60? So just substitute 60 here and write here from 1. From equation number 1. So T28 is nothing but 60. Did you understand?
Yes.
So now I want you to write it down. Come on.
This is from the practice set, right?
Yeah.
The sum number is 6.
Yes.
Okay. Done.
Okay, we'll stop here. 7, 8, 9 we'll do in the next class. Your homework is practicing from practice at 3.3, 1 to 6, you have to practice again. Okay, so practice set homework, practice set 3.3, sum number 1 to 6.
Okay.
Practice.
I'll send it to you
Okay.
by Monday. Okay, Monday, because now Renuka Miss has given me a WhatsApp.
Okay. Sunday. I wanted by Sunday. Sunday evening
Okay,
also
fine.
would do.
Sunday, yeah, Sunday will also.
One more homework. Problem set.
One
Problem
second,
set.
let me open problem set.
Problem set 3.
1 second, 1 second. Will you? 1 second, just 1 second.
All MCQs 1 to 10.
This is on page 78.
78. Yes.
What do I do?
Solve it all 1 to 10.
The entire practice set?
Problems
The
MCQs
entire
10.
problem set?
10
From 1 to...
MCQs are there.
Oh,
I'm talking about
okay.
MCQs. There are 10 MCQs in that. Those 10 MCQs
Okay.
I want you to solve.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Also check your answers.
Where?
Behind the textbook answers are there. Also
Yeah,
on
okay.
also on shala.com you'll get the solutions. You can, if you're not getting any, you check those solutions on that. And if you're
Yeah, because...
if you're not understanding, then you ask me. Then I will explain you that solution, what it is.
Okay.
Okay. If you're not understanding, if you're not getting any sum, not able to do on your own, go to that shala.com. You'll get the solution. And if you're not understanding that solution, then you ask me, so tell me I'm not understanding this. But I want you to write all the MCQs along with the working and send it to me.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So when will I get this?
Monday.
Monday morning.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want any sum wrong, any solution wrong.
Yeah, I'll see.
You see the solution. You can write it also. If you're understanding, write it. If you're not understanding, then don't write it. Then you ask me. Fine. So we'll stop here. See you on Tuesday.
Yeah, okay. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.